Hey, Oliver.
Hi.
What are we doing today, my guy?
Bird?
Bird? What kind of bird is it, do you know?
Parrot?
It's a parrot. Cool. So today, friend, we have this cute little parrot and a perch. Cool. Yeah. Oliver, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get started, bud. All right, friend. These are the bricks that you will need. So if you need to find your bricks, now's the best time to pause. Go find your bricks and then come on back.
You can make it any color.
You absolutely, Oliver. You can make it any color you like, friend. These are just the colors that we decided to go with today.
But not for the beginning.
Perch.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, you could do whatever colors you want. Use your imagination. 'Cause that's what Lego's about, is using your imagination. Imagination.
Let's get started.
Get a pattern.
Let's get it.
Go on, Dan. Yeah, that's cool. All right, let's grab a big sloppy guy.
Sloppy big.
Put it behind the little sloppy guy.
So the penguin doesn't notice.
Sure. And then we'll go ahead and do that one. I don't even know what that's called. And then we'll do the other one.
I'll call it a rectangular prison double Lego.
I say what?
Double rectangular double Lego.
Okay. Groovy. So that is our little perch. And then next we're going to do our parrot. So we start with the red bottom. I think it would be easier if you built the parrot on the ground, not on the perch.
Okay.
Let me save that.
Back.
Bye bye perch. See you in a little bit.
Back.
Bloop. And we're gonna do our big, well, we only have one big blue one. So we'll do that guy. And then we'll put another green one on the other side. Light blue. Or not blue, light blue. The smaller, dark blue. Right across the top. And then we'll do, where are you going, dude?
Boop. Double boop. Boop.
Why don't we build our parrot's neck? Or yeah, you know what, you can do that too. Let's do, turn around, let me see. The long side on the front, yes. Okay, we're going. All right, let's do the parrot's neck. One, two. I don't think that's what a parrot sounds like, my guy. 3. What does a parrot sound like, Oliver? Don't do it loud, just do it quietly. Nah, that's not a parrot. That's not a parrot. Do you have, oh, hold on. Let's look at your parrot. Okay, because we're going to have to put a little beak on along with the eyeball. So we need to make sure our little stud is facing the outside, and you kind of have to be gentle. So I say work on the neck first. Where'd it go?
Well, look at the head first. Hey. Okay, nobody gets me.
I do sometimes.
Yeah. Okay. Why did the couch run away?
Why did a couch?
Went away.
Because it kept getting sat on.
No.
Oh, why?
Because he was made out of Legos.
Because he was made out of Lego.
And he didn't want anybody to get hurt.
You goofball. Okie dokes.
Nope. Next way. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, yes.
Bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom.
You got his neck together finally, my guy?
Yep.
Okay.
Boom.
Alright.
And then where's the button? I should let him notice it. You can put it any direction, but I think I want him here. So he's like, wait, no, here.
Ooh, squish it. It's coming apart, squish it.
Yeah, no, not you.
There you go. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, that works too.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Thanks, my guy. You're the best. What do you say?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like parrots.
Subscribe if you like parrots. Like if you
like cake.
Oh, if you like cake, I like cake. I love video. Cool beat. Thanks, my guy.
You're welcome.
Bye. Meep meep.
Bye.